Hi, welcome. Now I'm going to show you how to evaluate if at least one fail within given students and respective subjects and marks. Okay, so I'm going to find out at least one student is failed in one subject in a given set. Okay, so how to find it? Okay, this is I have here is a number of students and the subjects and their respective marks. Okay, this example will help you to find out at least one condition is satisfied within a set of numbers. Okay, and this could be this is an example for students and marks, but in your situation it could be anything else, and you can use the same logic in your formulas. Okay, so many times we arrive to find out at least one satisfies the condition. Okay, that one can be done very easily by using a or condition. Okay, so that one I will show to you here how to use the or condition to find out or function to find out at least one of these subject marks is fail. Okay, what is fail? Fail is we fix that one is less than 35 marks is fail. Okay, so that is our condition. So how to use it here? Or the range of marks is all this is the range of marks and is less than 35. Okay, it shows a table 3 subject 1 to subject 5 because I made it this one as a table. Okay, so you can have it, it could be any range, just select the range. Okay, and 35. Now close the bracket, and now you see it is going to evaluate in this table all individual element. Every mark here is less than 35. If at least one of them, what is the it will apply the condition less than 35. It will check for the first element 72 is less than 35. No, then it is false. So it is something like false, 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 something like that. And comes to the student 4, it is this value is true because it is less than 35. Okay, so it is going to have a set of numbers. It's a array, and that array is sent it to OR. So it is OR is going to perform on each and every element. Okay, so it is something like it's a set of true and false, and you are applying OR on that. Then if at least one is true, or will return with true. Okay, so this condition is going to be true, is a single true. Okay, on a set of true and false. Okay, if any one of them is true. Okay, so because it is a single even though it is a single cell output, but it involves an array of elements, so it is going to be an array formula. When you type in array formula, you cannot just simply enter, you must enter, then it will show you its error. But instead what you need to do is you must control shift enter to tell the Excel that you are typing a array formula. Okay, control shift enter. Okay, now you see it is true. It come up with at least one fail is in the list. Yes, which is that one, and this the one. Okay, okay, this one. So that's why it becomes true. If I make this one as 35 marks in the border box, it becomes fail. Okay, false. Okay, so that means all of them are false. Okay, we can also use the AND condition to get the same result. How can we do that? Because the AND condition, it will check for all the marks are greater than 35. That means all of them are false. If all of them are false, there is no one is less than 35. That means it fail. So the negative of all of false. Okay, so how to do this one? Similarly, for check the AND condition, whether all of them are greater than or equal to 35, it is the negative. There for at least one fail, we are checking whether at least one fail in our condition less than 35. But when you go for a AND condition, all of them must be passed, so greater than or equal to 35. Okay, and all of them are greater than 35, then it is also playing with the array is a set of array true and false, even though it is a single cell output, it is a single cell array formula. Okay, so we must press Ctrl Shift Enter. You see it comes with all of them are pass. Yes, true, but our objective is to check whether at least one is failed, so the negative of this, so you put a not before. Okay, Control Shift Enter. Now you can understand that it's false. So using not and you can arrive at the same condition, at least one of them is failed. So just make it this one as 30. Let's see what happens. Both of them becomes true. Okay, so this way you can check a set of array of numbers whether at least one is satisfying our condition. Okay, I hope this video is helpful to you, and see you on next video. Please subscribe to my channel. Okay, and God bless you.